In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams spell check not working. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams. Once the application has loaded, you will see the familiar Teams interface. The first action is to sign into your account. This ensures that all subsequent changes are applied to your profile. When you click on the sign in option, enter your credentials if prompted, and continue to access your Microsoft Teams environment. After signing in, you will find yourself in the home area of Microsoft Teams. This is where you can see your recent conversations, scheduled meetings, and channels you are a member of. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you are new to the platform. Once you have confirmed that you are on the home screen, direct your attention to your profile picture located at the top of the window. This is your starting point for accessing the various user settings available within Teams. After clicking on your profile picture, a menu will appear giving you access to several account-related features. Look for an icon that appears as 3 dots. This icon is typically used to indicate that there are additional options available that are not immediately visible. Click on the 3-dot icon to open up more detailed settings. Within the expanded menu, locate the option labeled Settings. This choice brings you to a new section where you can customize a number of aspects regarding how Microsoft Teams behaves for you. Once you have opened the Settings menu, focus on the tab designated as General. Navigating to General is important because it houses the core options that influence the overall user experience within the application. While you are in the General section, search for the Editor Spell Check option. This is the area where you can control and manage the spell check settings for messages, meeting chats, and other text-based interactions in Teams. Activating this option ensures that your spelling is checked and suggestions are provided when necessary. Find the Editor Spell Check option and click on it to access additional customization features. The next step involves clicking on the Manage option, which is usually the final action required to make any necessary changes to how spell check is implemented within the editor. By clicking Manage, you'll be taken to a screen where you can further adjust spell check preferences and behavior to best suit your needs. Following this series of actions will help ensure that your spell check will be properly activated and working as intended, thus improving your overall experience with Microsoft Teams. This completes the process, leaving you with a fully functional spell check feature that helps maintain professionalism and clarity in your written communications. Enjoy a more efficient and effective chat experience in Microsoft Teams with your spell check issue now resolved.